We're starting to record again. Boy. Boy.
I'm grabbing my mom's laptop and I'm playing FNS Hero back, Dylan.
Boy.
Grabbing the laptop and playing FNS. I got the charger. I'm gonna get the laptop right now.
Boy.
Why? I'm bored.
Yeah. I'm the darkest one in the server, by the way. Tristan has higher money than me, bro.
I couldn't find it.
Find what?
Why did he ask that question?
What?
He asked me, was I in 5th grade last year, but I responded, no, I was in 4th grade last year.
Wait, who? What? Gojo?
Yeah, the Gojo asked me that question.
Hey, pay me up, twin. Pay me up. Where he at?
I mean, he randomly texted me.
I can see
And I
him.
said, oh, well, then he said, oh, okay. Even though I really don't know why he asked that question.
Give me something. Restock.
They restocked like a couple seconds ago, but they had absolute dog water.
Bruh. Oh my god, why am I so lagged? Your base is making me lag, but when I go into this one, way more lag.
I keep getting these stupid watermelon legendaries.
Bruh.
Wow, I'm a horrible king. I have fun that I have another totem. I have so many totems.
I'm so laggy.
Use a shot watermelon.
I need a move with one. I need a move with one.
I get the move from the Eagles. What I need is not our. just cracked mine so far. Monkey. I don't want to get up anymore with a crack in my neck. I finally have $20 million.
Why are they going to my worst area?
You know what?
They're going to my worst area.
My neck is in pain. I can't move my neck anymore. If I move my neck is gonna hurt.
Oh.
Oh, my nuts. Too bored. Wow.
Are you okay?
No. Bored. Well, of course. There's bugs and stuff.
Oh my god, so Oh my god, I'm so like.
Wait, where's the broccoli at when I need it? I beat my knee. I beat my knee every day. Every day.
Get out. Leave. Get out. 10 million quadrillion. Get out. Leave. I said leave now. Leave. 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 There's a door right there. Leave.
Why?
You know why.
Why?
You know why.
I didn't. Every day our backs just little.
What? Get out. Get out. Your door's in the front. Get out. Yep, get out. Leave. Get out. Leave. What? Leave. Leave. There's a door right there. Leave.
No.
You should leave.
No.
You know why.
No.
Get out. Get out.
And my house is really good because the view is on the
There's a door right there. Get out. Leave. There's a door right there.
What? Did you get us in the jackpot song?
Yeah. Boy. What are you talking about?